There's some drama outside Connaught Place police station. Protests after arrest of 6 people in Delhi hate rally case. We're looking at some drama right there at Connaught Place. High drama outside the CP police station. Remember, this comes in the backdrop of 6 people being arrested for Delhi's hate rally that was carried out, where 6 of them were arrested for allegedly insinuating and raising inflammatory slogans against minority groups while through that protest rally. In fact, this protest that took place just yesterday, where thousands of people were in attendance, many of them, some of the rogue elements there, breaking off to raise slogans against minority groups, hate slogans, and now 6 of them have been arrested over that. Now, some ruckus right outside the CP police station right this minute.
यहाँ से लेकर के कहीं और पुलिस पहुंचेगी जहां पर इन्हें डिटेन किया जाएगा। उसके बाद फिर पुलिस ऐसे मामले में लोगों को छोड़ देती है। तमाम जो महिलाएं और पुरुष थे वो आप देखिए यहाँ पर
पुलिस की तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी।
यहाँ पे लगातार दिल्ली पुलिस
की तानाशाही रवैया देख रहे हैं ना आप लोग। इसको भी अच्छा सा खबर छापिए कि जो है वो उन लोगों को गिरफ्तार करके ले जा रही है पुलिस। जब मैंने सही सवाल पूछा,
सड़क ब्लॉक कर दिया था आप लोग।
सही
तो सुबह से बैठे थे, कोई नहीं रोकना
किया था और इन लोगों का रवैया ठीक नहीं है।
आप देखिए इन सभी लोगों को लेकर जाया जा रहा है। सुबह से ये लोग बैठे थे, पुलिस से कोई किसी को समस्या नहीं थी, लेकिन अचानक से जब थाने के अंदर घुसते हैं, जैसे ही गेट खुला और उसके बाद थाने के अंदर से जब उनको बाहर की तरफ खदेड़ा जाता है तो वो मेन रोड पे आए और मेन रोड को उन्होंने ब्लॉक कर दिया, जिसके बाद अब उन्हें डिटेन करके यहाँ से ले जाया जा रहा है। जी श्वेता।
Well, there you have it, our Ashtak reporter right there on ground, getting us those glimpses of protests, condemning the arrests of 6 of the accused in the Delhi hate rally case. Many of them asking for the release of those who have been arrested. Remember, you have Mr. Upadhyay, who is one of the BJP leaders himself, who has been arrested there. He disassociates himself from any of this kind of hate sloganeering that was witnessed right there at the rally. Several videos have now erupted showing some inflammatory sloganeering that was raised. Let me cut across to Shreya, joining us on the phone line on this arrest and the kind of ruckus you see there. Shreya, what do we see there outside CP police station? People are demanding for the release of the 6 accused?
Well, yes, there are supporters of all these 6 accused who've been arrested by New Delhi police today, and they were blocking the main road of Connaught Place. Remember, this is an extremely crucial stretch, and the Delhi police couldn't have allowed these people to sit for a long time, and exactly that happened. They took all the people who were protesting, and right now they have all been formally detained. They will be taken to a police station nearby, from where they will be released forward. That is the SOP that is usually followed in such cases. And the road has right now been cleared, but the group was creating a ruckus since late morning. Today they also tried to barge inside the Connaught Place police station, from where they were thrown outside, and then they sat on the stretch, followed by which Delhi police actually detained all of them.
Right, Shreya, we see that some women there refusing to budge from right outside the police station. What is their claim? Are they justifying the slogans that were raised, or are they apologizing for it and then asking for the release of those who were arrested? What exactly is their stance here?
Well, see, there's been no apology from the supporters. They do not feel that any wrong statements were made in this particular event that took place on the 8th of August. They clearly believe that this is a wrong action being taken by the Delhi police. Clearly, they are making inflammatory statements also against Delhi police right now, and that is exactly the case. There's been no apology from any of these supporters. They clearly feel that there has been a misaction on the part of Delhi police is why they were protesting over here. We also saw a few of these supporters trying to gather more people and continue the blockade for quite a long time, but there was swift action on the part of Delhi police, and they cleared the stretch because, as I mentioned, this is an extremely crucial stretch that connects the entire of Delhi, and right now it's being cleared, but for a very brief period the supporters managed to block this road.
Well, here we look at some chaotic scenes there right outside the CP police station in Delhi. I'm going to quickly cut across to some information on this case here. BJP leader Ashwini Upadhyay and 5 others have been arrested in connection with the communal sloganeering near Jantar Mantar on Sunday. Delhi police is now further investigating this matter, but the incident has created quite some political ripples in the national capital. Here's all that went by.
A hate rally in the heart of the capital. A mob caught on camera shouting divisive anti-Muslim slogans on Sunday. The slogans were so offensive that we were forced to mute out the audio. And now, 2 days later, Delhi police has arrested 6 for the hate rants, including BJP leader Ashwini Upadhyay. The accused were first detained for grilling. The BJP leader, however, claims that he has had no role in the hate-mongering, distancing himself from the slogan shoutings.
कार्यक्रम वहाँ 1 घंटे चला। 1 घंटे के बाद जैसे वहाँ भीड़ आने लगी, पुलिस ने कहा कि क्राउड आ रही है, आप कार्यक्रम खत्म कर दीजिए। हम सब लोग मंच छोड़ के चले गए। उसके बाद वहाँ कोई आता है, कोई कुछ बयान देता है, कोई वीडियो जारी करता है। इसलिए सबसे पहले मैंने ही बोला था कि आप तत्काल वीडियो की सत्यता जांच कर लीजिए।
A manhunt has now been launched against the other suspects seen in the video, including the man wearing saffron. Meanwhile, Hindu Raksha Dal chief Pinky Chaudhary owned up to the event.
अगर कोई गलत किया है तो वो सरकार को माफ कर देना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसी भीड़ में कहीं से भी कोई भी आ जाता है, कोई भी कह देता है। और हिंदू रक्षा दल जिम्मेदारी लेता है, जो भी लोग वहां थे वो हमारे थे।
The hate rally triggered political backlash in Delhi.
आज से दिल्ली की कानून व्यवस्था नहीं संभलती, और इसीलिए बार बार हम कहते हैं कि चुनी हुई सरकार है, उसके हाथ में कानून व्यवस्था दीजिए, उसके हाथ में लैंड दीजिए, उसके हाथ में सर्विसेज दीजिए। हर चीज अपने हाथ में रखना चाहती है केंद्र सरकार, और हर चीज को बर्बाद करना चाहती है जो उनके हाथ में है।
The incident highlights deeply divisive fault lines in the capital, which saw deadly communal riots just last year. With Arvind Ojha and Shreya Chatterjee, Bureau Report, India Today.